European consumers consider food safety to be of fundamental importance.
The European consumers are fully aware of food safety. They have experienced the food scare like mad cow's disease, and they are often told how to behave in the kitchen in order to avoid foodborne diseases.
There is a real battle today to keep European food products free of dangerous pathogens.
Food safety is given a very high priority, and the consumers clearly want safe food that they can trust. And it's also a priority for the food industry to produce safe food that the consumers can trust.
But despite significant investment, the incidence of food-derived disease is still at an unacceptable level in the EU.
There'll be many reasons, many explanations. The situation is complex, and first of all, it is very dynamic. We have the so-called new or emerging pathogens coming up almost with regular intervals.
In 2005, a major initiative to fight this pan-European problem was started. An ambitious program to control and prevent emerging and further pathogens was launched. Using a holistic approach to fight threats at both the cellular and molecular levels in the entire food chain, a combat was designed. Pathogen Combat.
The Pathogen Combat provides a unique platform to build a stronger program in food safety throughout the EU.
We got the chance and the opportunity to meet expert people on food microbiology. If we had not participated in this project, we could have never met these people.
The major goal of these key deliverables is that they should be widely exploited by the small and medium-sized enterprises to produce safe food.
We had given as SMEs our demands in the areas that we were facing some problems, and then throughout the project and with the research output, then at the end we see a lot of results that they can be applied to food industry.
Support of SMEs is a very big political issue in the EU, and within our project we are already quite extraordinary because within our consortium we have 40% of SMEs.
Here, Pathogen Combat is seen as a bridge between research and development and the industry, which can assure production of pathogen-free food.
Making food safer, but also to extend shelf life of food, demands a lot of knowledge. That requires a better understanding how or when food can get contaminated by this spoilage of pathogenic microorganisms.
The program, which is due to last for a period of 5 years, applies at all levels. This includes standardizing methods of control, as well as methods and principles for microbiological analyses.
4 years have gone and 1 year is left in the project. So what has been achieved in Pathogen Combat? As mentioned before, the project addresses the entire food chain. By development of new high-tech platforms, we have obtained new information on how pathogens behave in the food chain, and this is the basis for preventing foodborne disease. Pathogen Combat has developed rapid and meaningful methods for detection of pathogens in food. The methods will not only give information on numbers of pathogens, but include a new approach on how to estimate their ability to cause disease. It's important to have methods along the food chain for breaking the transmission of pathogens to the consumer. Several methods have been tested and found effective in Pathogen Combat. However, hygienic design and introduction of effective cleaning and disinfection procedures should be mentioned as a key priority in the prevention of foodborne disease. There is an obvious need to close the present gap between technology and hygiene. Another key priority in prevention of foodborne disease is effective food safety management. In Pathogen Combat, diagnostic instruments and tools have been developed for the food industry for identification of technological and managerial procedure which can improve food safety management in the entire food chain. A web-based food safety management support system for the food industry is being finalized. Pathogen Combat has established strong interaction with the food industry, in particular the small and medium-sized enterprises. For the knowledge obtained and the methods and tools developed in Pathogen Combat, validation and testing in the small and medium-sized enterprises are now in progress. And finally, achievement number 6 is a stronger awareness of food safety to be expressed equally by the consumer, the entire food chain, and the regulatory agencies.